Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to fix temporarily banned on WhatsApp. First, let's talk about why do we get banned on WhatsApp. So the first reason is you are using some modified versions of WhatsApp, some unofficial versions of WhatsApp, not from the developers of the original version. And the second reason may be because you downloaded something that you shouldn't download from WhatsApp. For example, some statuses from other people's, because it violates the terms of service of the WhatsApp application. If you want to learn more about it all, you can just search for the reasons why you temporarily get banned. But we're gonna solve the problem. So for example, these applications are modified versions of WhatsApp. In order to fix all of this, go to WhatsApp original website. Scroll down and you're gonna find Contact Us. WhatsApp Messenger support. You're gonna write down your phone number, email address, and confirm it. How do you use WhatsApp? And enter your message. For example, that you've been banned by any mistake, but before you send this message, make sure you undo all the steps, all the movements that you made before that made you get banned from WhatsApp. For example, you should uninstall the modified versions of WhatsApp, and only then you should write the message that you've been mistakenly banned and demand from them to unban you. I hope this will help you. The next steps are just next step, and then you will send this message, and I hope this will help you. Thank you for your attention. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel if you find the video helpful. See you in another video.